आरो आंखौ लिसान दादाया चान्स होदों शुटिंफ्राव एसे मुभि एलबाम्सफोराव ओमफ्राय बेयो आंनि फर्स्ट फिल्म थेंक इउ सो माच बाबा ओमफ्राय आंखौ फिसाजो बायदि अननायनि आङो मुलुग बाबाखौ बाबा होननानै लिङो ओमफ्राय संगिना हाइखौ आइ लिङो थेंक इउ सो माच
Thank you, Lenny. Lot of congratulations and wish you a lot of success and lot of blessings.
The nominees are
Ang pamihu, nunga si rabuk sane. Misal ini boleh bicara.
Mana dah, mana sana nunggu.
Misal ini kurus jalan kerja lagi.
Mana video dah, anggapan gosanya harus kapkan. Siri saya, kami yang ini bahasa jatuh.
Oh my God, we are getting goosebumps. Such talented actresses in such a very young age. And to do the honors, we would like to request Dr. Guwahati, very famous music director, to kindly come on stage. So I would like to request the members of BISA to kindly accompany sir to the stage.
I'd also like to request Miss Tusna Basmatari, a singer, to please kindly felicitate Mr. Guwahati Basmatari with an Arunai and a memento.
Please smile for the camera.
Lady Brahma Award for Best Child Artist. And we need to make some noise for this. Ladies and gentlemen, Best Child Artist.
Good evening, everyone. The Best Child Artist Award goes to Serna Tautau. Nongkora nongatrai. Para khaniakai moजाङै बारै बुंलाय. Acha. दैमारि Pinky. बिथांनिसिम हामलायनाय हरबाय. Congratulations. Pinky दैमारि.
May we have Pinky दैमारि on stage.
The award goes to Pinky दैमारि for Best Child Artist.
She has the tears of joy coming to her eyes. Lots and lots of blessings to you.
Followed up by a very beautiful photo session. Lenny, please come here to the podium.
भिडिअखौ नायनायनि थाखाय साबायखर गोजोन्थों